So if you saw our last video for foaming banana sugar scrub, then you'll already have heard about Lumerol. If not, go and watch that because it's linked down below. Today though, I'm making use of it for a simple body wash. It's a great recipe for beginners. It's nice and moisturising like a body oil, but equally cleansing. Oil body washes cleanse like a normal body wash, but produce the silkiest, softest bubbles and leave your skin feeling amazing. So let's get on with the formula. So here's our formula and recipe. First ingredient is 60% or 30 grams of Lumerol, and this is your oil-based foaming surfactant. Then in phase B we have 20% or 10 grams of fractionated coconut oil, a very lightweight oil which is easily absorbed. Then we have 10% or 5 grams of sweet almond oil for its excellent moisturising properties. Then 5% or 2.5 grams of jojoba oil, again a lightweight oil that's easily absorbed. And finally in phase B we have 3.5% or 1.75 grams of camellia oil, which is extremely nourishing. Then in phase C we have our 1% or 0.5 grams of essential oil and our 0.5% or 0.25 grams of vitamin E. You can use any essential oils you like. All you need to do is pour all of your phase B ingredients into the Lumerol and give it a stir, but stir it gently because you don't want to create too much foam. And once the oils are combined, you can use your essential oil blend and your vitamin E and then mix that in as well. Give it a good mix to combine and then you're ready to pour it into bottles. It really is that easy, you don't even need to heat anything up. And here you can see just how well it foams. This is an anhydrous product, so it doesn't need a preservative. However, if you think because it's being used in the shower it will get water in the bottle, then you can add one, just deduct the percentage from the oils. If you want to read more on this recipe, then there is a blog linked down below that goes with it that has more information, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment below and let us know what you think.